Welcome to the Great Connectors. I'm your host, Alex Bleeker, because it's wisdom which seeks wisdom. I want to talk about some great books that you should look into reading if you want to grow your business or your spiritual life. The first book I just read is Raving Fans. This book is great. That book will teach you how to give the best customer service, and you can apply everything in that book to your life for your friends and family and create raving fans. You create 10 raving fans, those 10 people will tell at least one person about your service, and you'll attract another 10, and you expand your business and your friendships and your networking, because the power is in numbers. The next book is a book I just read called The Power of Full Engagement. This book really opened my eyes. It talks about how when you work out, let's say a muscle, you lift the heavy weights, stress your muscle, and then you relax and recover and you don't work that muscle and it becomes stronger and stronger. Well, this book, The Power of Full Engagement, talks about putting yourself into stressful situations, works out a muscle in your brain, and then you recover. Very, very good book. This next book, I highly recommend. If you've seen The Secret, you know about the laws of attraction. Well, this book was written way before that, called Love and Law. This book talks about the metaphysics of thinking positively to attract health into your life, prosperity into your life. I highly recommend this book, Love and Law by Ernest Holmes. Now on that subject, Think and Grow Rich, I'm sure everyone's heard of this by Napoleon Hill. It is probably the reason why they made The Secret in the first place. It talks about thinking positively to grow rich. Good book. Now, thinking positively is one thing, but if you don't have great leadership skills, you can't be a leader, you'll just be a follower. So get this book right here, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John C. Maxwell.